Alright, day 2. It's just me and Adam. I'm going to be continuing to pull off different things off the engine that are connected to the body. I think AC lines, heater hose, and the shifter linkages. I think for now that's about it. Maybe some random harnesses here and there.
I'm probably going to start pulling out the axles so we can get that out of the way. Don't break the shifter linkage now.
You know, we're still not sure if this thing is supposed to move like this.
Is there anything holding it from the... No, there's nothing holding it from the bottom, So there's like a welded nut on top right there, and there's no bolt from the bottom, and yeah, we don't think it's supposed to...
Try pulling it out.
That don't seem safe.
Okay.
2 welded nuts, 2 spots that look like, you know, there's actual, like, you know, passages for the bolts to go through, and the only 2 bolts that existed that were holding this up is this little guy. Well,
I'm still gonna ask the groups about that because I'm very unsure if it's supposed to be loosey-goosey like that.
That's way too easy to pull out. Oh, and also, sneak peek glimpse of the beautiful axles. She's definitely not blown. She's definitely holding grease in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna be ordering the parts that we can rebuild these axles, so that's coming soon too. You watched the video, bro.
Yeah, all we did was put this on. Like I said, I don't like how it fits on your car.
There's a little shiny around it.
All they have is this really just fat thing. Don't seem like she's moving anywhere now. Because we live in New York, and New York's a great rust belt, 36mm wasn't fitting on too well. It was good on 5 points, but the 6th one, there was rust, it was slipping off, wanted to make sure it was sitting properly. Okay, I was making...
It fell out.
What, the cotter pin?
A piece of metal.
Oh, yeah, so no, actually those 2 little things.
Yeah, the thing I was telling you about?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be that high.
Well, now if there's no pin there,
Add that to the list.
gotta get a new axle bolt.
Axle bolt and cotter pin.
Well, Adam destroyed the axle nut. Gotta get one of those now.
And now time to remove the top strap. So much just rust and brake dust. Get out, bolt. There's no nut holding it on the backside.
Use a better hammer than a rubber mallet.
You got that good too? Alright, try to pull it out above. Yeah, there we go.
This axle is just a shot. Inner CV on the driver's side, completely busted. Definitely gonna have to rebuild both these axles.
You want to put the bolts back in?
I'll pull the axle out first.
Yeah, we need to pull the axle out first.
Oh, okay.
The boot. There's a thing holding the boot on there.
Yeah, nice grease. There's grease everywhere, but on the CV axle. So there's a lot of grease on the back of your transmission.
I know.
Would you like a taste?
No, we're good.
Okay, sometimes. There we go. Now, would you like to come out now? There we go.
Nah, you gonna be alright. Got another like 30K on it.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to rebuild this axle. We're just gonna bolt this back up so that it holds itself.
She's not driving anywhere, so. Before I do anything, I just want to get rid of that, what would it be called? Just a one-time clamp? One
Yeah, I
clamp?
guess.
Yeah, because they are annoying. Screw it, let's see. Wow, that worked like a charm. Just so Wasp doesn't blame me for breaking another one of these. Because I did kind of mangle the shit out of the other one.
Yeah, you're supposed to pop out that little divot and then it backs out like a circle instead of snapping it.
Who snapped it? Who did what?
I don't know, Mr. Ugganuggets, who snapped it.
Your Honor, unless I see video evidence, I do not believe.
It's on video.
No.
Run it back, Turbo.
No, it's seated properly, just... I mean, it should be good now, hopefully. Oh nah. It doesn't seat all the way to the back. I just think that we need a slimmer one. Look, see what I mean?
Damn!
Yeah, that's what it just did.
Only going one way. It's not hammering on your side. It's going all the way into here, not there. Did you clean all the rust out?
Mm-hmm.
It goes in. It went in on that side, bro. It took it off.
It didn't go in all the way on that side though.
Is the axle not off?
Yeah.
So, you know what that means? Add some heat.
Give it like some good hard taps. Try to get it on your side. Do we need a breaker bar?
Probably.
That angle is crazy.
Oh. Yes.
What? That whole steer knuckle will be brand new too.
Oh, there it is. There's the rest of it.
This is what happens when you neglect your CV axles. This whole area that I'm working with, trying to get off the shifter linkage from behind, covered in grease and oil. So, that's fun. We went to Advance Auto and we got ourselves a 36, or sorry, a 35.
We have a little bit of, you know.
So we're going to heat this up until it is the temperature of the core of the sun. Isn't that right, Angel?
Just about.
And then hammer a 35 on it. Hopefully it comes out.
If it doesn't, we'll cry.
So this one, after we took the axle off, we had a lot more room to work with. I mean, that might not be necessary, but it was easier for us because of that. A lot of prying, hammering with the screwdriver, and it popped off. The shifter linkage bushings are sitting in a little housing. I'm going to pop those up and detach them so that they're only attached to the body and not the transmission.
With a little heat and lube
A little heat?
and with some persuasion
Some?
with the hammer and the socket, 35. It loosened.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, who needs an impact when you have, you know,
Angel.
Hulk?
Basically, yo.
So Angel turned a 36 into a 35, and that's it.
Wouldn't be the first time we downsize something.
Here we go.
God damn.
It's
Don't-
gonna be very, very hot.
Don't want to touch it. It's gonna be very hot, like you said.
Yeah, mangled. Definitely gonna need you 2 axle nuts.
So-
Yo, I need ear protection down here, bro. Damn.
The nuts in my hand. Everything's off, and even if I hammer it, doesn't want to budge.
PB blaster, bro. Use some of that.
There's nothing holding it, man.
Don't spray me though. Chill out. Okay. They pop out just like that. Let me get the other one now. God damn it. Well, you get the gist. See how that one popped out? I'm gonna do that same thing.
Hey, I've worked on construction sites and I do not have an OSHA card.
Whoa. We got that on camera, right?
It was recording. It was
We got that on
recording.
camera, right? Dox them.
Because you're saying I do not have an OSHA certification, I have an OSHA inspector certification. I am above the
Lock 'em
workers.
up.
Come on.
Top one will not budge.
Take the bottom now. There we go. Can you see the end of that bolt now? Solid. As long as the nut goes on, right?
Yeah.
Jack it up.
Jack it up.
That's coming out. There we go.
Bro, I'm already up.
Watch. Oh my god.
All right, Angel, I'm gonna need you to somehow just
Yank it.
yank it from the bottom.
Keep on going.
That's-
There we go.
Oh.
The fact that that slid out as easily as it did is a little bit scary.
So you
Go
can
up.
line up.
There we go. Cool. That's it.
Okay, that's it.
That's it. That's all we need.
That is both of our axles removed. I think we're gonna have to rebuild that.
What's left? You tell me.
We've got 2 heater hoses,
Hey, what's up, man?
Okay.
2 hoses, and then 1 AC line to remove,
And grounds, maybe.
and then grounds.
And then aside from that,
Oh, no.
motor
I'm
mounts, we're
scared.
done.
Yeah.
I think it's the high pressure line, low pressure line.
What's she weigh?
So we're gonna take the line off the compressor up here.
You need to weigh.
So 10 mil.
How's it?
There we go.
Okay, that's off. What else? Okay, so the last 2 hoses that we're gonna disconnect after the AC are those 2 right there. Those 2 things right there. They're just hose clamps. Take them off, and then you should be good. Okay, we've got 1 line that comes off the transmission, goes up to the cabin. We're disconnecting that.
Comes off nice and easy.
Big fluid. There's 2 hoses that come from the cabin on the intake manifold that we also are taking off.
There's a red clip that's here, just pops right out, and then there's a white one pushes in. I guess this white clip is so hard to get out. Push in.
Hey, good job.
It's out.
Yeah, it's out.
And then there's another one right here. This one goes also with this one. There's a blue clip. I believe that comes out.
You got it?
Yeah. Is
Nice.
this fuel? Yeah, it's fuel.
Running our hands over everything, seeing if we've checked everything. Pretty much got 99% of everything. We have another AC compressor line coming off. It's linked to all of this stuff, so it's connected to all this stuff, so we don't want that getting kinked while we're playing the motor. So we took off basically both the lines off the compressor, right?
Yeah.
So the compressor's completely free.
We're looking around the garage, you know, just, all of us. We're wondering where Angel went. This kid is fully under the car.
You're gonna be alright. There's only
What are you doing down there?
Just looking how much stuff I gotta disconnect. It looks like there's nothing left.
Let's go.
Hopefully, we'll see. Get the RAM in here.
The Ram.
The Ram don't fit.
Nah, just strap a chain around the engine and
We've got this motor strapped in some odd ways. Hopefully it works. It's the same way we strapped up the other motor.
Can I see?
Bunch of ratchet straps. It looks fine.
Sorry.
fatty.
Oh, it's hooked up.
Single.
All right, back it
Single.
up a little bit.
You don't want that fight, bro. God.
Hold on.
We are going to loosen the engine mount, the transmission mount, and the torque mount. You know, if there was ever a moment that I trust our jack stand job, it's now.
There's actually 4 jack stands that you better trust, bro.
We've got our torque arm. This is the arm. Mounts the transmission underneath. It's an 18 and then a 17 wrench.
That's my sister.
Careful.
Yeah, what's all that movement back there?
Oh! So grab this. We didn't know about Domi.
Not what?
Yeah, it's moving. Okay, 1, 2, and then 3 on this side, and then on the transmission, the middle one. But if it's the other 2, then it's the other 2. As an extra backup, we are gonna support the engine and trans with the jack stand underneath, just in case. What?
Trans or oil pan?
The oil pan.
The end of everyone's career.
Moving this bracket out the way so we could get that 15 bolt out.
Okay, that's loose. Adam, move that harness out the way.
Oh, you got it? Nice. Yeah, so all 3 have to come out.
Yeah.
I was expecting to say like it would be better if I wasn't here. I was about to be like, damn.
Well, that mount is entirely off and the engine did not move at all. Okay, we've got a tiny bit of support from over there. You know the last time this car was in this garage, we were doing an intake and vacuum lines? And its second time in here is now pulling its engine. Aki, how long did you take off 3 bolts, bro?
You want to do it?
Alright.
You taking this from a Lexus driver?
Yeah, at least I don't got a freaking front wheel drive non-quattro car.
Damn.
Is that the guy with the sunflower seeds talking? On the intake? The little rat's nest?
Yeah, at least I don't gotta put performance parts to even make like what, 150 horsepower?
Yo, that's crazy.
So is that everything detached?
Basically.
Yeah.
Now we just gotta lift it up a little bit.
The faster the better, bro.
Chill, take it nice and slow.
Okay, well, the motor's out.
You going?
Okay.
Lift it, lift it.
Okay, that's it. That's enough. You might end the final. So
I gotta move. Should I move the engine, the jack?
you could.
We don't need it, right?
Yeah,
lower,
it's-
lower.
Run it back, turbo.
What, pull her back?
Yeah.
Okay, let's slowly go, guys.
Slowly,
wait,
slowly.
We're caught on something, wait.
Oh, yeah, the motor mount.
Oh, that's the whole
Yeah, that's
What is it?
Oh, yeah, this bracket's still attached. Okay.
What bracket?
For your ECU?
To put a wiring on us.
Yeah.
Walsh, you are in a very scary position right now.
I've been in worse.
Or would it make more sense for me to lower it a little bit?
What do you mean by that, my boy?
I was just about to say, I don't think you want to lower it.
Okay, there we go.
You're clear.
Pulling it. And wait.
Okay, hold on.
Wait.
The AC line's on the left. Someone has to hold them back.
Okay, wait.
Oh.
I think we could pull it this way. Now.
What is
Pull it
the?
back.
Wait.
Wait.
What?
We're connected.
This is
Thank
fuel.
you. That's it.
Yeah, the fuel line.
Feel my lungs, bro.
I know. that's why I had to walk away.
Yo, I'm still smelling it, but it's a gas station down here. Can you get an angle? What are you guys removing? Can you put on a video back real quick?
We're just doing the fuel line.
Take
No,
it
not
out.
the fuel line right next to it.
Get a video. Get a video.
got it.
Well, we already got it.
Oh, no, they could see it from
They
here.
could see it.
Okay,
They-
good. good.
Yeah,
good.
that's
part of
what I'm
the fuel
saying. The
system.
angle
Front of the fuel
was
system. I tried removing it earlier, and you said we don't need to.
Oh,
You'll-
my fault, G.
No,
That's good now?
no. You'll see what I mean.
Alright, we can move it out now, I believe. Slowly. Nothing.
Oh.
That's it.
How we dropping it now? Or like, what we doing? What are we doing?
Yo, grab that.
Pull all the way out. Pull all the way out first. Just like that, the engine is out. Give me yo. Yo, let me come off the front, bro. Hold on. My car's giving birth to me.
It's crowning.
It's a brown boy.
It's a brown boy.
Oh.
It's not.
Okay.
That's the torque man holder.
You want to bring it down slowly, maybe? Going, keep on going. It's not going to.
We need to slide her forward a little bit. I don't like how that barely
Is it
sits.
fully down?
No,
It's hitting the oil pan over here, but it's just
Yeah.
barely.
So
barely.
lift it up a little
Move it
bit.
forward a little bit.
Start dropping it.
Okay, wow.
Damn, baby.
And just like that, the old motor is out of the Fiat, or the blown motor is out of the Fiat. All we have left to do now is take all the parts off of this and put it on the new motor. So that's going to be coming up next. And until then,
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bump.
make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bump.
Yo, you stole that line.
That's good, bro. Did I?
Yeah.
From who, bro? Actually, before the video completely ends, I was thinking we were going to have to clean this engine bay, but it's just really a bunch of dust, and most of the dirt and grime on this is all over the transmission.
What do you mean, bro? We're not painting the engine bay?
The transmission is caked. I mean,
You can't see nothing.
yeah, everything is covered.
Yeah.
Like now you can see some stuff. but-
Now you can't, but
Everything's
when
in
it's
there?
in the engine,
You can
you can
still
see the motor mounts the most.
You can still
And
do
that's
it for
still
fun.
covered.
So we're not painting the under bay, that's for sure.
You
we,
can do
can,
it for fun though.
we can clean stuff,
We
clean
can
all
do
this
it.
stuff up, you know, clean all the gunk off the transmission. Yeah, that'll be it for this video.
Surprisingly, it's still the same day that we started. It is
Oh,
no longer.
that's crazy.
It's still
Oh, wow,
Friday.
it is, yeah.
This is the first Willis Garage episode that ended and started on the same day.
Yeah, that's
That's actually
insane.
yeah impressive.
Yeah, that's literally.
Yeah, what
We
car
never-
did we?
Nothing.
Whose car were